Hey y'all, it's Brooke. Okay, I'm back with embellishing my sewing journal, and today I'm gonna put in some journaling spots and pockets. And I've already done it in the first, I did it in the first signature and the third, and left this one to do on camera. All right, I made this pocket out of just a piece of tea-stained paper, and I left a piece so I could show you. All I did was fold this down just to give this some more, substantialness to use it as a pocket, and then sewed around here. All right, and I'm gonna glue it right there. I'm using my art glitter glue, and I will thumb you through what I've done the rest, but it's basically all the repetitive in each one, each signature. Put this one here on this piece of ledger paper. It seems to take a little while for this stuff to stick for some reason today. Alrighty. And then here is a piece of journaling spot, and it is just a piece of copy paper, and I kind of crinkled up the edges and added some antique linen distress oxide, and then inked the edges with regular vintage photo. Glue it in. And I think in the next video I'm going to come back and do like all the imagery and maybe trim. I hadn't quite decided what kind of trim I want to put in here yet. And this right here I did with the top of this button. I just dipped it in some, so if you find something round, if you don't have that Tim Holtz stamp, which I do not, and I just watered down some distress ink and did it. All right, and then I've got this printout from Artie Mays. It's a free on her website, and I just sewed around, and I'm gonna do a tuck spot on this piece. And I like to add things to the papers that you really can't do anything with otherwise. I mean, I guess you could write on that or glue stuff to it, whatever, but do what you want. But I'm adding a tuck spot to it. Here we go. And I don't know if I'm gonna do anything to the back of that, probably not. We'll see. All right, and here's my envelope, and I added a button to that. All right, I'm gonna do a journaling spot here. And this is just a piece of yellow paper that I distressed with distress ink. I always feel like I have to cough when I get on camera. Annoying. I feel like I have to cough and do everything fast. Like, I don't want to bore you with glue and stuff. But I like to watch it, so I don't know. All right, there's a journaling spot. And I'm going to do one on the back of this piece of children's writing tablet. You kind of have to measure your page out, but I just like ripped it in half and then ripped it in half again. Make sure you get the corners. I don't know if I want to cover up this lady. I don't think I do. I'm gonna put it down here. I like her. A bandeau. And then you can journal here, add a piece of ephemera, whatever. Because I've got a lot of ephemera that I've downloaded and printed out, and I don't think I'm going to use it all. So whoever gets this journal will have an envelope full of it to add to. Right, journaling spot here. Excuse me. Annoying. It's turned cold here, so it makes my throat act up. Feel like I have something back there. Okay. Put this one right in the middle. I'm surprised I don't have a big bruise right here. I was carrying laundry basket out of the laundry room and hit the door frame. Hurt. Alright, and then one here. Another piece of that paper. And I like the crinkle. I like paper. I hope this is not too boring, me gluing. Put that one there. This journal seems to open up fairly nicely so you can write. And then here's the other side of that piece. Okay, this pocket came from taking a piece of tea-dye paper, folding it over long ways, the 4.5, like 4 1/4, ripping it, and then you can see where this is folded down. So I folded down like this, like that, and then folded up, folded this little piece down on the opposite side, and then folded up like that. So you have this configuration. That way this gives you, because when I glue it down, it's going to be a pocket here and a pocket here. And then just sewed straight down with a zigzag stitch. And then I have that stamp, and I just did that with antique linen distress oxide. I don't know if you could see it or not. I thought it looked cute. All right, let's glue this one. And of course, I'm going to add ephemera to it. And I'm just going around the bottom and the two sides so I could have another pocket behind it. And there's where I sampled it, the button stamp, to see what it looked like. I'm gonna line it up with this line here. It's gonna take a minute to adhere. Okay, seems good. All right, another piece of ledger. I think it goes this way. Yeah. We're getting there. I think this may be the last one. I'll put this one down here. Got some wrinkles in it, but you know what? I like it. Okay, I think that is it. Yep, here's the back of the signature. All right, and I'll thumb you through real fast. Tuck spot, ledger, no, not ledger, journal, pocket journal. And I don't know what I'm going to do to this. Probably just decorate it. We will see. Journal, pocket, journal spot, journal spot. And then we just saw that one. And then this one is the same. I do want that Tim Holtz stamp. There's a pocket, pocket, pocket. 2 journaling spots. Another one. But his stamps are expensive to me. I mean, $30. And like my Michaels and Joann's don't carry them. They have Tim Holtz stuff, but not his stamps. Well, not the good ones. Pocket. Another journaling spot. There we go. And I think I'm going to go through, because I have that stamp set, and do some, maybe some stenciling and stamping. I don't know. I haven't quite decided. And I'll probably put the ephemera envelope in this. I don't know. We'll see what's next. I'll be back for the next one.